So when I first reviewed the Holikme dryer vent cleaner kit, I thought it came with a lot of additional accessories that we wouldn't be using as part of this process. And I'm eating my words now because I realized that I needed to go back and use those other tools, and let me go over them. And you'll see in this video that I'm actually using a variety of the tools that came with the kit. I really didn't expect it. This little miniature grab it is amazing. It's like tiny claws, but look what it got out. This long plastic piece of the lint catch that had broken off at some point. All of these parts are actually quite well made, and they're not just junk. I take it back. I will definitely be using them for more than just the lint catch. Check this out. I finally got in there with my phone light, and oh my gosh, do you see this? This is like compacted lint. Lesson learned: when you get your Holikme dryer vent cleaner kit, make sure you do some research or rewatch this video so that you can see all of the parts in action, because you're going to need most of them. And it doesn't give you a lot of explanation in the kit. Some of the accessories are meant for getting into that tube that goes from the back of your dryer out your dryer vent outside your house. And some of them are meant to go in through the lint trap in the front of the dryer. Really, I wish that Holikme would provide better instructions. I had to go looking on YouTube and also just kind of figuring it out on my own. Or you can just, rewatch this and get some answers there. I hope this was helpful.